Ooh, your girl got pink hair in this bee. Is my wig still on? Okay, we're good. What's up, everybody? I am Sister Slayage and welcome to my channel, boo sugars. If you are new here, welcome for the first time. It is wonderful to have you. So make sure you like and subscribe and hit that notification bell so this won't be your last time stopping in to see your girl. You know what I'm talking about? Now, if you are already a member of the family, welcome home, sweeties. You know I've been missing you. I got some milk and cookies waiting in the kitchen for you. I'm lying, ain't nothing in there but ramen noodles and boiling water, baby. Anyway, if you have seen my videos before, you already know I'm a little wiggly challenged. Keyword wiggly challenged. This is my very first wig review. So all y'all who are used to like these people who are like really good on like wig rhetoric, that ain't me. So please be patient with me. I'm just gonna review this wig the best way I can. And yeah, we're just gonna get straight to it. I am wearing a FREETRESS equal the luxury integration premium deluxe lace front wig. Who finna say all that? Y'all, I am wearing a deluxe lace front wig. What's all this? That's a long ass name. I'm sorry, y'all. I am not here for it. As a matter of fact, I'm not gonna even call it deluxe lace front wig. Like, what makes it deluxe? Like, do y'all have like a deluxe or a premium? See, I don't know. Cause when I think deluxe, I think about food. You know what I'm talking about? I think about like a deluxe seafood platter or something. You know, what makes this wig so deluxe? I just wanna know. So anyway, the style that I am wearing, it is called Cameron. And Cameron is very cute. Cameron comes in like, look at this paragraph full of colors that it comes in. I'm gonna bring her in just a little more. I'm sorry about the glare, y'all. Okay, so it comes in 1B, 1 blue, silver, pink, gold, rose, pink. So much rose, dark purple, butterscotch, nut brown, sunrise, crunch, merlot, nude, nutmeg, taffy, and toffee, honey. Like, it's crazy how many colors this wig comes in. And like the back of the box, these are just like 4 or 5 colors. This is nowhere near all the other colors that come in. The color that I am wearing today is the rose pink. And it's like right there on the box. So yeah, I am wearing the rose pink. And so I am going to tell you what I have experienced with this wig so far. What I have noticed about this wig, I mean, so far I like it, but what I've noticed about this wig is it is a very, like, I don't know what I guess dense would be the word to use, I'm not sure. But the thing I like about this particular wig is in the back, you don't see any tracks, you don't see the cap or anything. It's really, really full. It has a nice little bounce to the curls. I guess this would be considered like a loose curl. When I first got the wig, it had tighter curls to it, and over the day the curls just fell into place, and I do like it better like this. It's a really beautiful unit, y'all. And it is a this part is just like a random part here, and you can rotate it. I prefer to wear it on this side because like on the box everyone is wearing it like in the front, and the way my head is set up and the way it's shaped, it don't work for me that way. So I just prefer to wear my part on the side. I put some concealer under the lace on the part to where it just looks like a little more natural. I did try plucking the hair around the part, but not too much, because again, I don't know a lot about wigs, but it was just way too wiggy, and it's still a little wiggy, so I got to kind of figure out how to make it look unwiggy. This is what they would call a human hair blend, and I call it BS. It's either human hair or it's synthetic. So this is a synthetic wig, and it is heat safe. They say up to 400 degrees, but I'm not gonna even try it, because if anyone has seen my Cardi B fail video, y'all know my rap sheet with wigs, and baby, it ain't good. I caught myself trying to cut some baby hair in a wig and cut a whole bang. If you don't believe it, go see it for yourself in this video up here. It was horrible, y'all. It was just horrible. I just disrespected the wig like I had no manners. Anyway, this wig, it doesn't come with baby hairs either. I wasn't too mad about that, because it wasn't like I paid an arm and a leg for the wig. I didn't even pay $20 for this wig, y'all. And I looked online, and like other beauty supply stores have it as well. You can kind of expect to pay anywhere from like $34.99 to like $50 for this wig, depending on which retailer you purchase it from. But like I said, I really do like this wig. The color is very, very pretty. It has a dark root hair. Like I said, it doesn't come with no baby hair, so I just, some little extra hair, I just swooped it over there and just gelled it. I didn't put any got to be glue or anything on it, because I am a same. If this wig coming off after I do this video, I guess that's the best way to put it. I don't wear my wig for days at a time. I just can't, honey. My head be hot, stinking, and itching, so I can't do all that there. So anyway, y'all let me know if y'all have this wig. If you plan on purchasing this wig, please let me know. It's a really nice wig. The cap is dark, so yeah, the cap is dark, but you will really enjoy this wig. I do not regret it at all. And also, if y'all have any pointers to help a sister out on how to review wigs in the future, if y'all have any additional questions about this wig, please put it in the comment box. So like I said, this is my first review, so I don't know what to tell y'all. Y'all gotta tell me what to tell y'all. Help me help you. So once again, thank you for watching this video. Please like, comment, subscribe. Damn it, it keep getting in my mouth. I don't want nothing in my mouth but food. Sorry. Please like, comment, subscribe, hit the notification bell, and share this video. Anybody want to know, about the Cameron wig? Go on, share her. I ain't gonna mind. I ain't gonna get mad. So yeah, love your boo sugar, and thanks for watching. Mwah. Let me pull this over here across it. Okay. I might pull up on my boo in this wig. Hey. Hey.